Hi guys, today I came to Ikea to try their different types of food. And you can see the queue here in Ikea Cheras in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. There are a lot of people here and many people are waiting to get the Ikea food. They just want to try it. Me too. I'm gonna get the food and try. But first you need to get the trolley, then you need to put the trays on the trolley. After that you need to take the glasses. And let me take one coffee cup. And then here are the food they're serving. There are different types of cakes, you can see. Here is the collection of the salad. These are the sandwich. And their famous meatballs. The Ikea meatballs, you can see. Here they have the croissant and truly there is the soup, garlic bread, and here comes the lasagna, cinnamon bun, and these are the chicken spring roll and chicken wonton. Garlic bread and Portuguese egg tart. So here in the trolley you need to take the food and then you have to pay it here, and you can go and take your drinks from there and start eating. Their meatball is quite famous, so let's give it a try. Here's the drink section. Let me try these Ikea meatballs. They are very famous. Give it a bite, bismillah. Well boiled. It's delicious. The spring roll is made of vegetable, basically potato and carrot. And here comes the wonton. All the food are delicious.